All right, take each piece of corn, peel off just a couple leaves on each side, break off the stem a little bit. 4 minutes for each one. Can't stress that enough. It should be really hot to the touch. And then you just take a knife and you want to cut into the corn. So you got this little guy, and then all you do is just take, it's a nice cut, just take and squeeze it from this side, pull it up. It's very hot. Ah, burns my hands. You might want to use an oven glove. Boom. Perfect. All right, so all that silky stuff that's in that husk, it's all just going right to the garbage. Stay tuned for other tips and tricks in the kitchen.